Hey guys, you are with the Tech Science. Today we are discussing the defects in the human eye. General human eye, the normal human eye is having some types of problems are there, and that results into the three different types of diseases. And one of the disease in between these, it is called as the myopia, also called as the nearsightedness. Here, if you observe, different types of three diagrams are like drawn on the board. If you observe the first diagram, then you found that in the myopia, generally the nearby object can be seen by the human eye, it's very easily, right now, clearly. This is what the retina, and on the retina the image get formed. This is what the eye lens, this is what the eye lens, and here something like distant like a nearby object is somewhere placed, and this object, when passing through the eye lens, there is an image creation, and that image is created on the retina, which can be easily seen, clearly seen by the myopic eye. What about the object which are having the far distance from the myopic eye? In that case, the object which are at the longer distance from the human eye, the converging power is increased in case of myopia. Because of that, for the distant object, the image is created in front of the retina, and that is not clearly visible by this defective eye. And if you observe the third diagram, here you got what exactly the solution. What is the solution on such human eye which is defected with the disease of the myopia? Normally, the concept is like that. What is the reason behind the myopia, or what is the myopia disease exactly? So we can say that myopia is nothing but a kind of disease, also called as the nearsightedness, in which the nearby object can be seen clearly, but the distant object cannot be seen clearly. It is not cleared. That's why that such kind of disease is nothing but called as the myopia. Now, first of all, we have the reason why the myopia occurs. So there are the two reasons. There are the two reasons because of that the myopia occurs. Number one, the converging power of the eye lens when it is increased. The converging power of the eye lens increases. Now, question is what? Why the converging power of the eye lens get increasing? Because here there is a kind of muscles are there in the human eye, that is called ciliary muscles. What is the name? Ciliary muscles. And these ciliary muscles having the power to adjust the focal length as per the position, of the object, and that is called the power of accommodation. That is called the power of accommodation. When ciliary muscles lose such power of contracting and relaxation of muscle, in that case there is a problem occurs. And here also, because of the ciliary muscles, they are not relaxed properly. Because of that, the converging power of the eye lens increases, and that's why the image is formed in front of the retina. Their image is formed in front of the retina. And second is one more reason behind the myopia. What is that? Here the distance between eye lens and retina, it increases. The distance between eye lens and retina increases because of elongation of the eye lens. Because of the elongation of the eye lens as compared to normal human eye. For example, this is what the eye lens, this is what the retina. This is for the distance in between the eye lens and the retina. But when there is a problem of myopia, then the elongation of the eye lens occurs, and the distance of the retina and the eye lens increases as compared to the normal human eye, and because of that the problem of myopia is occur. This is what the two possible reasons for the myopia. Now question is what? How can you solve such problems? So this is what the third diagram, that is called diagram number C, which solve the problem of the myopia using a concave lens. Whenever the light rays are coming, so in front of the concave lens, some kind of divergence occur, and remaining light rays, when they are passing through the eye lens, because of that eye lens is a convex in nature, it converge the light rays whatever they are coming. So you have to use the suitable power of the divergence of the having the convex lens, and after that when the rest of the light rays, when they are fall on this convex lens, it converged, and the image is created exactly on the retina. So by using the concave lens, you can solve the problem of the myopia. So this is the first problem regarding the human eye, how myopia occurs. what are the different like diagrams for this myopia, what exactly happen in case of the myopia, and last one, what is the solution to solve the problem of myopia. I hope you can understand. The next lecture is regarding the next point, that is called as the farsightedness. It is called as the farsightedness, that is called hypermetropia. We can see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.